is a scientist event of the Applied Mathematical Society in France, and has been created in 1996 by Frédéric Coquel and Yvon Madet. So this is a big summer school between approximately the middle of July and the end of August, and has 6 weeks of work. So the first week is a summer school. So it's during 1 week we have some lectures of famous mathematicians, and during 5 weeks we have many people in the CEMRACS, so scientific researcher, so a young researcher and senior researcher, and they work together on several projects. So the idea is during 5 weeks they work on a project. What can I say? For example, domain decomposition for a problem in health or in climate, for example. And at the end of these 5 weeks, they write something and they submit this as a proceeding. So this year, the topic of the CEMRACS is HPC, high performance computing. So we have people working in applied maths and also in architecture of computers and so on. And the idea is this year to have some project on how obtain a new algorithm in new architecture of computers. If you look at some experience in life, you want sometime to treat this numerically. So to obtain, in fact, a numerical simulation with a computer, giving the same things that you can see in the experience. For this, applied mathematician works in 2 steps. The first step is to give a good model with a mathematical equation, and the second step is to find good algorithm to treat this numerically. So the first step may be sometimes very complicated, because now we know many things in mathematics, so we can obtain very accurate models. And for this we use some equation existing, and we have to give at the end normally a very big number of equations. That's the problem, because only one equation is not sufficient most of the time, and we need in fact big equation. So when we have big equation, we have a big mathematical model, and after discretization you have a big problem that you want to solve numerically with your computer.